welcome to the channel. My name is Jocelyn and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. In today's video I have a Zara Try On Haul. All the pieces that I have are from the new collection, new releases, and on top of that I want to show you some jewelry pieces from Luisa. When Luisa contacted me asking if I wanted to work with them, I was like, yes, absolutely yes. First of all, Luisa is a company that truly cares about the environment. The raw materials, the process, and the final product, they just offset 100% carbon emissions. And that says a lot about the company. The quality of Luisa is being compared with high-end houses like Louis Vuitton and Dior. All the products are being 100% gold plated. You're not gonna have a tarnish or fading issue with their pieces. On top of that, Luisa jewelry is very affordable. You can find items starting from $39. The pieces that I'm wearing right now, for instance, this beautiful ring that is 100% gold plated, this one goes for $59. This beautiful Sia Earrings, when I saw them I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have them. They're so cute, and these ones are one of the best sellers from Luisa. These ones goes for $59. And look at this necklace, guys. It's so gorgeous. This one is, of course, it's 100% gold plated, and the pendant has this beautiful lock. Look at this, it's so gorgeous. Luisa is having a big sale for the Black Friday, guys. So if you're looking for the perfect gift for your beloved one, or you're looking for the perfect gift for yourself, like me, I'm always looking for the perfect gift for myself, right? I highly recommend Luisa if you are looking for jewelry, especially high-end, high-quality jewelry, right? Like these ones, I was looking at their website and they are offering 360 days guarantee. That's a year guarantee. Who does that? Nobody does that, and they can do that because they know that they use the highest standards to manufacture their products. I'm going to link Luisa website on the description box below, along with the pieces of jewelry that I am wearing. Alright, so now we're gonna move on with the Zara items, guys. Yes, I'm super excited because I was able to order these a week and a half ago, and I just received my package. Yes, it took a little bit longer, but that's okay because Zara has wonderful stuff, right? Okay, so these are the items that I received. I'm gonna put the box right here. The first item that I have is this beautiful sweater dress, guys. It's so gorgeous. I love the color. It's a beautiful oatmeal color, and the fabric feels very soft. It's a little bit loose because look at this. Woo, it's a little bit big, and let's check the size. The size is size medium and the price is $49.90. And of course that I chose size medium because I like over loose, right? But this one seems to be a little bit extra loose, right? Alright, so let's try it on. Hey guys, so this is the sweater on, and it's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I was thinking that was going to be a little bit big on me. Yes, it's over loose, however it feels and it looks nice. It doesn't look big. Maybe because I'm wearing this belt from Bottega Veneta, right? And it's just giving a little bit of a shape, right? Because if I don't wear the belt, it just looks a little bit boxy. It doesn't look bad, but I prefer with the belt. I think looks more put together. The belt matches my earrings from Luisa. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these earrings. They're so good, guys. They're so beautiful. Highly recommend these ones. They're so gorgeous. I'm wearing my mango boots that if you follow me, you know that I'm obsessed with this. And just to complete the look, this Louis Vuitton because it's more like a brownish type of colors, right? Next, here I have another sweater but this one is just a sweater top. It's not a dress, right? And of course that it has this cutout here at the front because I am so into cutout tops right now. This one is a knit, and look at this. Look at the detail of the knit. Can you see that? It's beautiful. It's a little bit fussy, as you can see. This one that I chose is size small. The price is $49.90. I don't know about the size situation. I think it looks pretty small, but you know what? Let's try it on. Wow, guys, I love this top, and despite that it has a big hole here, it's pretty warm, like, honestly. And I think it looks amazing with this super tiny lock. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it just looks so classy, right? And it just goes perfect with the golden jewelry from Ana Luisa. Oh my gosh, yes, I think it's beautiful. And this one for sure is a keeper. I was a little bit concerned about, you know, the sizing, because this one is size small, but I think it's meant to be, you know, hugging your body, so it's okay. On top of this, I can wear a coat or a long cardigan. I'm pairing it with these vegan leather leggings from Express, mango boots, and to complete the look, my Louis Vuitton bag. Oh my gosh, I love it. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty excited about this one because it's so gorgeous. Look at this. It's like a bustier, right? Like a corset type of thing, but not really because it doesn't have any wire. However, it's just gorgeous. Look at this, guys. I'm so excited for this. And it has this shape here at the front, and it's just pretty much as simple here at the back. It's very elastic, so that's a good thing because I am thinking to pair this with a white bottom shirt or a blue button down shirt. That's the only way that I can wear these ones because I cannot wear these. Well, I can wear it, but I don't feel comfortable. This one that I bought is size small. The price is $29.90, and I am in love with this one. So let's see how this fits. Am I going to keep everything from this haul? Because so far I am loving everything. Yes, I love this one, guys. It's more than I was expecting. So cute. I love the details that this one has here at the bust, and these, you know, details here is just gorgeous. It looks like a corset, but it's not a corset, right? It's just a bandeau with a very sophisticated design. Of course that you can wear it without the white button down shirt, right? But this is my way to wear this one. It's more like a vest, and of course that I'm thinking to wear this one underneath blazers. I think that will look really cute. But for me, that I am thinking to wear this to the office, this is the way to do it. Because I'm lazy, I am pairing it with the same vegan leather leggings, boots from Mango that are so comfortable, and my Kelly bag. Next, I have this beautiful top, kind of the similar as the one that I showed you before, but this one has a little bit of, you know, loose type of A design here. So it goes here at the waist and just goes like woo, right? Like that. Do you like my special effect? I'm thinking to pair this with a white button down shirt or a blue button down shirt. I think it looks gorgeous, and of course with vegan leather leggings and high heels. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. This one that I bought is a size small, and for some reason I don't have the tag of this one. I'm looking here to see if I drop it, but no. All right, so let's see how this fits. Another beautiful piece from Zara, guys. Oh my gosh, they nail it. It's so beautiful. It's like tight here at the body, but it goes like a skirt here at the hips, and it just covers your hips pretty much. I'm 5'7" for your reference, and I'm just pairing it with a white button down shirt. You can also pair it with a blue button down shirt. That will look pretty amazing. And I love how it looks with the Ana Luisa jewelry, guys. It's just the perfect combo, right? The golden jewelry, the touch of black and white. I love this so much. I'm obsessed with this one. And okay, I think this Zara Try On Haul is a winner because so far I am loving all the pieces. Next, I have a blue button-down shirt, and oh my gosh, it looks big. Which size did I buy? I bought size small. This one is size small, and you can see that it's way over loose, right? Okay, but look at this. I love that it has this detail, right? It's not solid. It has these stripes, so it's pretty cool. I was thinking to wear this to the office, but I'm not sure about the over loose situation, to be honest with you. It has this pocket here at the front. I like that, but yeah, I don't know about the overload situation right again. This one that I bought is size small, and the price is $49.90. And let's see how this fits. Button down shirt is on, and of course that I need to iron it, but I didn't want to iron it because most likely I'm gonna return this one. This one is super cute. It's way over loose. This one is size small, and it's more like a casual look. It doesn't look bad, don't get me wrong, I love it. The thing is, I was looking for a more fitted fit. This one is super loose, okay, you can tell. Okay, but it doesn't look bad. I think that you can pull it like this with the vegan leather leggings, toe boots, or jeans or sneakers. It's very casual, okay? So it's very like, not to look super sophisticated. It's more like a casual running errands type of vibe. Other than that, it's pretty cute. I think that if I want to keep it, I will go ahead with the size extra small, just to have a little bit more of a fitted fit. But yeah, it's not that bad. What do you think? Last but not least, I'm so excited about this one because, okay, it's a set and it's being sold separately. This one is this top is like a bandeau, right? A bandeau, and it's a knit, very elasticized, okay, and it's beautiful. Look at the color. I'm so excited about this one. This one is size medium. The price is $25.90, but I bought, okay, I drop it. I bought the sweater, and the sweater, yes, it doesn't make any sense right now because it looks kind of like a scarf with sleeves. Remember those sleeve scarves that are being really popular right now? Yeah, this is not the case. This is how you wear it. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna wear it for you later. This one that I bought is size medium. The price is $29.90, and of course you need to wear this one with this one. Well, you don't have to, but I'm going to be doing that. Okay, all right, so let's see how these two fit. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this set, and despite that it's a little bit revealing, right, because you're showing skin here, it's very warm. It's very warm, so for sure will keep you cozy and warm this fall winter. This is a winner, guys, because you can wear this top on top of, you know, white button down shirts. That's an outfit, or you can pair it just like this, right, without the cardigan or sweater, and that's another outfit. Or you can definitely wear it as a set like this one that is so cute. It's so trendy, and it's so versatile, right, because you can pair it with other items that you have in your closet. So this one is a keeper for sure, and it looks amazing with the necklace from Ana Luisa and the little Sia earrings from Ana Luisa, and a little bit of jewelry, right, just gives a touch of, you know, put together to this outfit. I love it. I love it. This one for sure is a keeper. I'm pairing it with vegan leather leggings, and I changed my boots for another pair of mango boots. And if you're interested on these ones, you need to size up because they run a little bit smaller. Okay guys, so that's all what I have for this Zara Try On Haul of new releases. Don't forget to visit Ana Luisa website. It's going to be on the description box below. They're having a big Black Friday sale in case that you're looking for the perfect gift. If you're looking for dainty pieces, gold plated with affordable prices, that's the website for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive notifications every time that I post a new video. And please continue watching videos here. And I'll see you there. Bye bye.